Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. This reading is going to be for all the signs, whoever is watching this video right now. Okay, so basically, in this reading, I'm going to see your partner's energy in past, present, and future. Along with that, I'm going to see your energy in this relationship in past, present, and future. Okay, and also I'm going to see the current energy between you and your person for your relationship, your mutual energies. Okay, so these are the energies of your partner. Okay, these are your energies in your relationship. Okay, now I'm going to see mutual energy between you and your partner. Okay, I got two cards. I'll take both of these cards. Now let's start the reading for all my viewers, whoever is watching this video. Okay, so the above three cards are for your partners. Okay, the below three cards are for you. Okay, so this card is going to represent your partner's past energies towards this relationship. This card is going to present your partner's present energies for this relationship. Okay, and this is for the future energy of your partner. Similarly, this card will show your energy in past about your relationship. This card is going to show your present energy towards your relationship right now. Okay, and this card is going to show your future energy for your relationship. So let's start with your partner's cards. Okay, Justice. Okay, in present, Two of Swords, and in future, Seven of Pentacles. Now let's talk about your energies. Six of Swords, the Magician, and Ace of Wands. Okay, I feel your person was very much energetic in the past. Also, it could happen for some of you that your person was going through some kind of a legal advices things, or they were involved in some illegal issues earlier. Okay, in past, or it could also happen for some of you that your person was involved in some kind of a divorce things. Okay, it could also happen for some of you. Okay, and plus I'm also feeling with this card that your partner was very much energetic in past. Okay, they were very loyal, although they are still loyal, but in initial days or in past situations they were the one who was saving this relationship. That's what I'm feeling. Okay, and they were not going to take any kind of nonsense for you and for this relationship from any other person. That's what I'm feeling with this Justice card. So that was your partner's energy in past about this relationship. They were ready to give you all the things with whatever you want. Okay, and they were very mature in past about this relationship. They knew how to balance things. Okay, I have a strong feeling that something has happened with your person, or they are going through some kind of a tough time right now. Although they were very strong headed in past, but right now they are going through some tough time and some conflict things. Okay, it could also happen for some of you that your person has some other option as well in their life, but I feel they don't have any other option. Okay, plus they are completely closed off. They have closed their heart for any person, and I'm feeling that you are also in that bracket. They are not letting you know anything. Okay, they have closed their heart from you, and they are although they are with you, but they don't want to be with you right now. Okay, that's what the current energy of your partner. Maybe physically they are with you right now, okay, but emotionally and mentally they have just closed their heart from you, okay. They don't want to listen to you, and they are not and plus they are not opening their heart in front of you. And for some of you it could also happen that your person has another option in life, okay. It could also happen that your person has someone else in their life, okay. That's why they are playing, or they are being blind towards you. They are pretending that you are not there in this relationship, and plus also they are making you feel that you are unwanted in this relationship, okay. That's what that is his current energy, but this is applicable for some of you, not all of you, okay. And I feel that your person is definitely going to be sad in coming time, because they are seeing whatever they have achieved in this relationship with you. They are nurturing those memories. They are remembering those good times, whatever they had spent with you in past, okay. As I told you that they were the one who was always ready to take action for this relationship. Now they are, maybe the other person who they are, I mean, if they are dating, or if there is another person in their life, that person is definitely going to cheat on your person, and future also your person is definitely going to miss you with the 7 of Pentacles, okay. It could also happen for some of you that maybe they are with their second partner, or maybe they are with their another person, okay, but still they miss you, but still they adore you, but still they remember a good time spent with you, okay. So that's your partner's energy, okay. Now let's talk about your energies. In past I feel that you never wanted to be in this relationship. That's what I'm feeling. It could happen for some of you that that due to your bad past behaviors you are not ready to compromise on your terms and or on your conditions. That's why you are not ready to take any other person in your life, okay. And that's why you were kind of very much depressed and sad, and then and plus you did not want any other person in your life in terms of relationship. That's why I feel that you were moving out, or you were just making you you're just moving out and making yourself safe, okay. You were just protecting yourself, protecting your emotions, protecting your heart. That's what I feel. That's what I felt about you with this card. In past you were this 6 of Swords, okay, but I feel that how your person had made you feel with this Justice card, definitely you also open your heart for your person. And your current energy right now is the Magician. I feel that you know how you can handle, I mean, you know how to handle this person, you know how to handle this relationship. I mean, I'm seeing that you are mature enough to know what is best for you and for this relationship and for your person, and you have everything in life to give your person, okay. And you know how to dream comes true. You know how to make your dreams come true, okay. You have all the skills with this. Plus I feel that you are manifesting your person right now, because they are kind of very closed towards you. They are not seeing your efforts, whatever you are putting into this relationship, and that's why you are manifesting your person back, okay. You are thinking about them, you are thinking a lot about your person, you are manifesting your person so that you can have your person in coming time, okay. So that's your energy with this Magician card. And in future I'm seeing that you are definitely going to start some action towards your person. I feel that your person is missing you in coming time, okay. Their future energy is saying that they are definitely going to miss you. They are definitely going to miss the good time whatever they had spent with you in past, okay. And I feel that your person will I feel that it's your person who is going to come forward and talk to you, who will come forward, who will talk to you, who will start or who will re-establish the communication between you and him, okay. And some action is definitely going to take place in future, in coming time for you. And I feel that with this magician card, you are, as I told you, that you are manifesting your person right now. So it could also happen for some of you that you, whatever your manifestations are going on right now, you are going to achieve all those things, whatever you have manifested so far in your coming time with this Ace of Wands. Okay. Now let's talk about your mutual energies towards each other. Oh my God. Oh my God. Lot of resistance, but the good news is Four of Wands. As I said that you are manifesting your person, I'm seeing that your wishes are coming true in coming time. Okay, and plus also for some of you, I feel that both of you and your partner wants to spend rest of your life with your person. Okay, with this Four of Wands, I'm getting that energy. Okay, your person loves you so much. Eventually both of you will fall in love once again, and both of you will definitely going to start something new about your relationship. It could happen for some of you that you are going to marry your person. It could happen for some of you that your person is coming towards you. Okay, with this Ace of Wands and with this proposal with this Four of Wands. Okay, but I'm feeling that as I said, that something is definitely going to happen for you in future. Okay, somebody is definitely going to action towards the another person, okay. So I feel that both of you will communicate with each other, both of you will discuss about your relationship, both of you will reestablish the communication between each other, both of you will talk to each other and start thinking about how to take this relationship on a next level thing. Okay, that's what I'm feeling. But I also I'm feeling with this Three of Wands that still there is some kind of a hesitation is going on in your heart and mind for both of you. I'm feeling this, both of you are hesitate, both of you are nervous to talk to your person, nervous to connect with your person, you are hesitate to call your person, but you need not to hesitate at all. Okay, because at the end of the day you guys are meant to be together for the rest of your life. Okay, that's what I'm feeling. And I'm feeling with this Three of Wands that your person or you, it could happen for some of you that both of you are on some distance. Okay, yes, I feel that your person lives in some other country or some other region of the country, or it could also happen for some of you that your person lives in another continent of the world. Okay, they can also be live in third world. Okay, so all you need to do is wait for the right timing. When the time will be right, all the things will going to take place, all the things will going to take a shape in coming time. Okay, this was not a sign specific reading, my dear viewers. This is for all of you, whoever is watching this video right now. Okay, now let's take some divine angel messages for you. Divine angel messages for you, my viewers, whoever is watching this videos. 3. Helpful people. Meditation brings answer. Trust. Okay, let me just take one more angel cards for my viewers. I got 3. In the near future, let go an opportunity. I'm not going to take all the cards, only 4 cards. So I feel that angels are asking you, once you'll be out from your negative energy. Okay, and once your manifestation will be over, definitely some helpful people will come forward and help you to get your person back in your life. Okay, with this helpful people, I'm getting this message from angels. And secondly, angels are asking you to do whatever you are doing right now. Okay, as I told you that some of you are manifesting your person, so please keep manifesting your person. Angels are definitely going to answer your all queries. Okay, so you need to meditate a lot to bring your person back into your life. And plus, when you are manifesting your person, you need to have a faith, you need to trust the universe, you need to trust the angels, you need to trust the process, okay, because that's the most important thing, okay. And plus, angels are also saying whatever you are manifesting right now, your partner, your relationship, your solid commitment, your proposals, whatever you are manifesting right now, that thing will take a year or maybe in near future, okay. In near future you will get whatever you have desired, whatever you have manifested so far in life, okay. Yes, so that was the reading for all my viewers. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Goodbye.